Hey, it's me! Remember me? You know, the idiot that plays cookie clicker and doesn't like to click. Yes, remember, because clicking is hard and all. And so I created a script that does it for me. Haha, super! Now I can finally grab a coffee. Let's do this again together. You'll see it's very simple. We are going to use Python for this. We will need the keyboard library and the PyAuto GUI library. All you need to do is to call this click function. It will press and release the mouse button for me. Cool! And since I want to do it indefinitely, I need to place it into a while true loop. But be careful with that. Every time you will see a condition like this, while true, you will need a condition to get out. Else you are going to be stuck in there forever. So, forever, I would like to click on my cookie. But if I ever press the Q key on my keyboard, then I break the loop, leading to the end of the script. Now I can run the program like this, boop, and there we go. And now I can finally quit it because I would like to improve it. Boop. Boop. And so that's it for the basics. Now you have the links in the description. All you need to do is to follow this link and you can find the script here. Super! And see you later for the part 2!